Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have got a very interesting guest with me, Mr. Ashish Kulkarni, founding partner and CEO, Garud Allied Technologies. It's good to meet you, Ashish ji, and thank you for hosting us in Belagavi this week.
Very good evening, sir. It was nice to have you here, and we were very excited with all that's going happening with the LUB and the upcoming meeting. And also, as far as the message is concerned, I will try to project whatever is best for the industry.
Okay. So today's discussion, let us start by you telling our audience and readers about your company, how it started, and the journey of Garud Allied Technologies over the last so many years.
Yeah, actually, we started our journey in year 1997 with myself, my partner Shri Sachin Parmach, and one foreman, Mr. Raj Suryoshi. Together, we actually literally commissioned, installed this plant, commissioned it, and started the operations with only 3 people. And to tell you the fact that today we are the largest metal finishing industry in South India.
Okay.
Yeah. And we got a strong infusion of this world-class technology from my father, Sri V.S. Kulkarni, who actually, in fact, is no more, but he was a god in the world metal finishing community.
Oh.
We are the leaders in hardcore plating. We have set foot recently on alloy platings like zinc nickel, nickel phosphorus, and zinc iron, etc. We have a very highly motivated team of engineers, uh, foremen, operators, and platers.
Okay.
Our core strengths are unparalleled quality, very fast delivery, continuous research and development, with which we have for which we have a very dedicated laboratory and in-house pilot plant.
Okay.
We have signed an MOU with Gupta Institute of Technology, of which we are the alumni, sir. And here we train students for various plating operations and all that. And parallelly, in the MOU, it is the contract is such that we are also developing some new processes and new technologies which will be patented. And also we are about to start a new field of engineering called as the surface engineering and technologies.
Okay.
We primarily cater to hydraulic industries, pump industries, valve manufacturers, conveyors, printing cylinders manufacturers, etc. We are approved suppliers for L&T Defense, Godrej, and Cummins. We pride ourselves with manufacturing precision rollers for a missile manufacturing company called VEM Technologies,
Okay.
which is one of the which is from Hyderabad. And sir, to tell you this, our latest feather in the cap is that we were approached by Lieutenant Commander Vignesh and Lieutenant Commander Vikrant Khajuria. These people had approached us for the restoration of their flight arrestor on INS Vikrant.
Okay.
Actually, this was a Russian machine, and it was not functioning properly. It doesn't function properly. The flights will not stop, and there can be a major catastrophe. So we take up the pride that we did the restoration very successfully, and we were also awarded for that.
Okay. So now let's talk about facility, the technology, what all you have in your plants. So can you let our readers and listeners tell us about more about your plant, what sort of area it has, what sort of machines it has, and how you are investing in technology, something on that, sir.
Yes, actually we have 8,000 square feet facility, and we have the very huge plating plants. Totally, we have 5 plating plants. Uh, that is two plants of 4,000 liters, one plant of 6,000 liters, and
Mhm.
one is a small plant.
Okay.
Uh, Apart from this, we have very high precision finishing machines in our plant. We have cylindrical grinding machines, which is required before plating. So our most of our stress is on the pre-plating operations, where the surface finish has to be improved, and the better the finish, the better the quality of plating you will get, which is also well appreciated by our customers. Uh, as far as the quality is concerned, we have a team of people, engineers, who look into all the aspects of quality, like the metal content in the plating, the thickness of the platings, the sizes, various dimensions. All these are monitored very meticulously, and uh, and also the records are maintained. We have a very good traceability system of traceability, where any part coming at any point of time is recorded, and even after years we can relate that part to that particular day. So and invoice. So that kind of a traceability is there, by which if any complaints come in future, we take that we can easily solve that, and also take a feedback of what had happened and give a feedback to the customers as well.
Correct.
So this is how we work on the quality front. We have all the instruments that are required for the quality, like the thickness tester, the measuring instruments, all digital measuring instruments, and we have a very good in-house lab facility, where we check all the chemicals ourselves, and even prepare some of the chemicals ourselves, so that there is no adulteration or any this thing which we normally get from the market. So this sort of thing has made us rise to these levels of quality, and that quality and the delivery. These are two things which have brought us to the level that which we are here today, sir.
Correct. And you stressed upon quality, Ashish ji, and as we all know, in manufacturing, quality plays a very important role. So, can you quickly tell us what special care or what what is in your what is in your direction to your team, that whatever coming out of your plant is top notch, so that there is no rejection of any part or something.
Correct. Actually, it has been a practice with our people. I mean, you can call it a culture, that
Okay.
whenever a part comes in the our factory, it will be inspected thoroughly
Mhm.
before any operation starts.
Okay.
If there is any minor a scratch or a dent or anything, it is our this thing that I mean, it is our high important fact that we register all those things,
Correct.
and it is reported to the customer via email and
Mm.
images,
Okay.
and these are then the customer approval is taken, and
Mm.
it is processed further. When the processing is being done, every day the chemicals are being monitored, the chemical concentrations, the chemical parameters, the ratios, uh, the temperatures, and all the things which parameters are there, they are being recorded, and these records are being maintained for years to go.
Okay.
Also, after the plating, the quality is being inspected. Like, as far as the plating is concerned, we have to manage the thickness, the hardness, the adhesion. All these things are actually checked by our team, and after that, we carry out the finishing operation. The finishing operations are very critical, because even a small pinhole or a scratch or a dent, or even low on thickness, low on hardness will not suffice. in spite of our in-house inspections, these some sample parts are being sent to Bangalore Geological and Metallurgical Laboratory, where
Okay.
we get the third-party inspections also.
Mhm.
So to just ensure ourselves that whatever we are telling the customer that we are achieving is actually being achieved.
Okay.
So that is one. And post all the operations, we have a team of inspectors who do only the visual observations, where the part should be properly cleaned after plating, and it should not go in any mutilated condition. That
Okay.
is the primary thing. It should go in a better condition than what we have received. That is where we take utmost care. And the packing part, that is also taken care of, so that there are no transit damages, because the transit damages are a big challenge in these days,
Okay.
where some road conditions are not good and all that. So that care has been taken with association with the customer, of course.
Okay.
And this is how we see that all these things are
Okay.
done properly, and the customer is happy at the end of the day.
Okay.
Mm.
So my takeaway is, quality is something which is being taken very seriously by Garud Allied Technologies, and you and your team ensure that whatever product goes out is top notch. And so, sir, let's come to the growth plan of the company. Uh, what sort of future you are looking at? What sort of investment you are doing it? How you are making sure that that Garud Allied Technologies grow? So, is there any growth plan from your side in the coming years?
Yes, surely. Actually, till recently, we have ventured into the field of plating.
Okay.
Now we are visualizing of. I mean, we have already started integrating backwards
Mm-hmm.
and forward also, but forward I'll come later. We have started integrating backwards in the sense we started with plating.
Okay.
Then now we have started with cylindrical grinding, which is prior to that, and we have started with manufacturing of the components.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a backward integration which we are going. So this is a very huge industry if we integrate backward, and we will finally turn out to be the original equipment manufacturers,
Okay.
which will make our company maybe 50 to 60 times larger than what we are currently. So
Okay.
that is a very, very big step, and we require a lot of investment, maybe to the tune of 20 crores.
Okay.
So that is how we plan to go ahead. And also for the forward integration, we are planning with new coating technologies that are primarily not plating, but they are uh, I mean, they are chemical vapor depositions and physical vapor depositions,
Mhm.
and that type of depositions, or plasma depositions. So those are the latest what is going on in the European countries. So we will forwardly integrate simultaneously in that direction.
Okay.
And these machines are very expensive. They
Okay.
are in the maybe top 10 crores one machine. So
Oh,
that all will require a lot of investment, but
yes.
we have a proper plan, so that by in maybe in 10 years time we will achieve all the what we are talking about.
Okay. And thank you, Ashish ji, for letting our audience know and our viewers know. So now let's come to the place where you are sitting, Belgavi. And I was there for last 3 days, and I saw the passion, whomever I met, the bond of Lagudyog Bharti members, the way they have ensured that everything is being taken care of. And my 3 days journey was good. I have learned a lot, staying in the city. So let's talk about Belgavi. What is the secret sauce you people have that every manufacturer, every entrepreneur is thriving and growing, and they are contributing a lot when it comes to taxes. Belgavi is number two when it comes to taxes. Bangalore is number one. So what is the secret ingredient? What is the secret sauce you people have, and what sort of ecosystem you people have, that the companies are thriving. So can you let our audience know?
Unity is the first thing that I would say, because the manufacturing community here is very united, and they're very open to exchange of technology. And when it comes to other matters like the uh, say the upgradation of technology, or the administrative aspects, uh, or say some other aspects like the environmental aspects. So all these people, they come together. They have some clusters here, like the Foundry cluster and the Belgaum Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and the Belgaum Development of Small Scale Industries Association, and all these are there, which do all. I'm into most of these organizations, and where we do all these activities which help young entrepreneurs as well as the grown-up people, grown-up, you can say, sharks, to properly swim along in
Correct.
this sea of what you call the business. And we also want to see beyond Bengaluru. That is, we want to set up a parallel economy here in Belgavi, which will be challenging the Bengaluru. So all the people are really motivated here, and this is what keeps us really growing. Like, we want to come up at a fast pace.
Correct.
So this is what keeps us challenged and motivated.
Correct. And so, my last question is about Laghu Udyog Bharti. Can you tell our audience and viewers know that what sort of work Laghu Udyog Bharti is doing in Karnataka, Belgavi? Because I during my project I was working with Laghu Udyog Bharti. I had a different experience. So can you let our audience know what sort of work Laghu Udyog Bharti is doing, and what sort of initiative you are taking in Belgavi for the growth of the manufacturers?
Laghu Udyog Bharti is basically a organization which works at grassroots levels.
Yes.
We are uh, working with the artisans. We are working with the actually the cottage industry people. Then we are working with the tiny industries. We are working with the small scale industries as well as the large and medium scale also.
Correct.
So the thing is that we organize some of the events in the district, which whereby these people get a platform to
Correct.
showcase their to showcase their skills,
Correct.
and so that more and more people approach them and their business grows.
Correct.
So this is one aspect, and the second aspect is we make educate them about the government schemes which have come up recently about the Laghu Udyog,
Correct.
from where they can be benefited, and monetarily as well as by way of business. So
Correct.
that way, and also we have conducted some events like Gram Shilpi and all, where all the industries have taken part. All these mentioned have taken part, and actually it was a grand success. Also, we organized some of the events like the GST grievance event,
Okay.
then the labor event, where we invite these people for invite the high-ranking officials in
Correct.
the for direct interaction with the people, and the people also understand what is the right thing to be done, what are the laws, and any grievances that can be directly addressed to them.
Correct.
So we are trying to help our community uh, come face all the challenges that there are.
Correct. Thank you, Ashish ji, for your time and the letting our audience know about the company, what all work you do. And I'm very much looking forward to see you sometime in Bangalore or Belgavi, because for me it's a journey and it's just started with Belgavi, and I'm also keen to work more with the companies of Belgavi.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I have a message
Okay.
for the generation. Uh, Actually, see, I want to say, all I want to say to the young generation is India is a growing economy,
Correct.
and our dream our Prime Minister's dream is to make this a 3 to 5 trillion economy by the end of this decade.
Okay.
So this is the dream which we should work for, and I urge all you youngsters who are reading my message or listening to my message that you come out of your comfort zones, work hard, and make the Indian align your dreams with the Indian dream and make it come true. So this is what I want to say. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, Ashish.